You might be surprised that Walmart is the second biggest online retailer in the world, just behind Amazon. Now, to prepare yourself to make money with Walmart, before we dive into how to get approved for the affiliate program and then get the links that you can use to post in your content so people can click it and you have a chance to earn a commission, let's take a look at some competitive analysis between the two direct competitors in both retail and e-commerce. Understand that Amazon has Prime and they have the loyalty for that membership. But Walmart also has a vast network of physical locations. That's the stores that they have all across the US and around the world. So what does this mean for you? Well, break it down by the numbers, look at the average sales, and then think about, how can I present an offer if I am both an Amazon affiliate and a Walmart affiliate? Can I present both prices, or do you have the opportunity to present different deals that are happening at different times on different marketplaces, looking specifically at the fact that both of these are direct competitors and they basically have the exact same thing, other than the fact that Amazon hosts a lot of third-party sellers. But take a look at 75% of US consumers made a purchase from Amazon, whereas 43% made a purchase from Walmart.com, but 65% were in the store. But think about those 65% that may not be aware of a deal that maybe you can present to them as an Amazon affiliate so they could get a better deal online. Just something to think about when you're thinking about becoming an affiliate for Walmart.com. Now let's dive into, how do we actually get our affiliate links? First step is to go to affiliates.walmart.com, earn commissions by becoming a Walmart affiliate. Simply click the sign up now button. That takes you over to the registration page where you have to fill in some information. Your name, your email, a username, which in this case you can see 30 Minute Marketing would be my username because it's my brand. And then you set a password. Then you're going to need to fill out everything else. Then you simply just got to fill out the rest of the information, real information about yourself. You're going to need a website. Now this could be a YouTube channel or a social media profile, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. But truly, if you have your own website with your own domain, with your own brand, you're gonna have a better chance at getting an approval here. But if you are a big influencer and you are using social media to promote other links from other products or other affiliate programs, then you're probably not gonna have an issue if you put your YouTube channel on here or your Instagram profile. But you will need to put your street address and your city and your state and your zip code, select a time zone, and select a currency. Here you can see US dollars, Australian dollar, euro, and sterling. Now, after you've given them all that information, you will then need to select a promotional method. If you're doing content like blog posts or videos and doing reviews, put that here. If you're doing any of these other things, or if you are just simply a social influencer, again, going back to the idea you don't have a website and you're just promoting products through your social profiles, then go ahead and select social influencer. And then here, a secondary promotional method would be if you're building an email list, which you should be doing. And then of course, select your country and then select submit. After you submit that form, you will get an email like this once you are accepted. Welcome to Walmart Affiliate Program, the Partner Program. You have been invited to the Walmart Affiliate Program and an account has been created for you to use. So go ahead and click that link. It'll take you over to where you can sign in. Then it'll take you inside of a dashboard, and this dashboard might look familiar to you. This is from impact.com. If you don't know what impact.com is, check out the card where I cover how you can partner with other big brands just like Walmart and get access to an impact.com account where you can take a look at other brands and other products that you could promote alongside of Walmart by joining impact.com and having direct access to these big brands. Link also in the description to check out that video, but understand you're looking at your statistics for Walmart.com, and it really is as simple as copying links and pasting them wherever you are promoting a product. At any time, if you need a link, you can click on this link right here. Now it says here, enter a landing page. This is optional. This would work if you were on the website and you were looking for deals. For example, Dad's Day is coming up, or Father's Day. So you're looking at Father's Day gifts because maybe you are promoting this on your social media profile, Instagram or TikTok, and you're scrolling down through here and you're like, I think my audience really would dig this and they would really like this right here. So then all you need to do is look at the URL, copy that URL, go back to the Walmart dashboard. Again, this is impact.com. If you don't know what that is, check out that video where I explain how you can work with other big brands like Walmart inside of your impact.com dashboard. I go over all the ins and outs of how this works, but the idea here is you're copying in that URL and then you're going to create a link. It's going to generate that link right here. Then you see I clicked and it said copied. Then this would be the URL that you would share. Here I'm showing you an example in an incognito window. When somebody clicks on that link, now that's going to be our affiliate link or your affiliate link once you get approved for the program. And if someone makes a purchase here, you are going to earn a commission. Now, when we're talking about earning commissions, let's go ahead and look at the contract terms. You can see down here, online sale, referral period for 3 days. That means that the cookie, when someone clicks on your link, that cookie, when that cookie is placed on that person's device, then you have 3 days for them to make a purchase, and then you earn a commission between 1% and 4%. Click here once you get approved and get inside, or even before you do get approved. Understand and know, and go ahead and pause. These are the payouts for the different types of products. You can see that some of them are 0, some of them are 1, and some of them are 4. For example, men's apparel, baby, toddler, boys, girls apparel, shoes, intimate apparel, women's apparel, accessories, and jewelry. Take a look at these categories, and these are the payouts and the percentage of what you will earn as a commission when someone clicks your link and buys that product. So going back to the cookie link real quick, this is where Walmart.com and you as an affiliate for Walmart.com have an advantage because the Amazon affiliate cookie only lasts for 24 hours after a website visitor clicks on the affiliate link, whereas the Walmart affiliate link lasts for 3 days after a website visitor clicks on the affiliate link. As an affiliate marketer, you want the longest cookie duration you can get. And while that longer cookie duration gives you a better chance of earning a commission, understand that Amazon has tons and tons of products. They also have a little better commission rate on some of the products. This is a thing, again, where you need to contrast and compare as an affiliate, looking at Amazon products and Walmart products. And of course, go back to that impact.com where I show you other big brands where you might get a better deal, meaning a better percentage if you go through impact.com and apply directly to the program or to the business. For example, a Best Buy or a Target, if they go through impact.com, you could get access to them. You might get a better percentage on the affiliate commission and earn more money. Now you have everything you need to know to get started as a Walmart affiliate. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.